Hello, good afternoon, everybody. We are studying the Maths 1 from that chapter number 2, real number. Question number 3 from that practice set 2.3. Question number 3, fourth example. That is 19 under root 2. Sorry, 19 under root 12. Oh. 19 under root 12 and 6 under root 3. Whether it is in a like term or unlike terms that we are like surds or unlike surds that we are going to see. First, I will write this 19 under root 12 as it is and this 6 under root 3 as it is. Now factorize here 19 under root factor of 12 is in a 4 3s are 12 and this 6 under root 3 as it is. This 19 the square root of 4. We can write in this way 2 raised to 2 into 3 and 6 under root 3. That means 19 under root 2 square into under root 3 and this is 6 under root 3. Here 19 into order and the power is same. So this 2 remains as it is under root 3 and this 6 under root 3. 19 twos are that is an 38 under root 3 and this 6 under root 3. Here under root 3 and here also under root 3 it is in the same, so we can write that we can write 38 under root 3 and 6 under root 3 are like term. Sorry, like surd. Like surds. In this way, the question, there is a fourth question is completed. Fourth question is completed. Now we are going to see the fifth question. Otherwise, fifth and sixth question, will you take as a homework? Fifth and sixth question, will you take as a homework? Homework घेणार का?
चालतंय सर.
आता डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ला या. Simplify the following surd. Simplify the following surd. Question number 4. New question we are going. That is in a question number 4. Simplify the following surd. From that first one, under root 27. This is an surd that we are going to simplify it. Step under root 27. Factor of 27 is in a 9 3s are 27, which is equal to square root of 3 square into under root 3, which is equal to order and power is same. That is in a 3 remains into under root 3. This is the simplest form of under root 27. That is in a 3 under root 3. After that, fourth, there is second one, under root 50. Tell me the factor of under root 50. Under root 50 चा factor सांगा मला. 50 चा factor. हॅलो, तुमचा आज आवाज येईल ना कुणाचा पण. 25 into 2. 25 into 2. That means under root 5 square into under root 2, which is equal to order and power is same, radicand remains as it is 5 under root 2, which is a simplest form of the under root 50. Now after the next example, there is a third one, under root 250. Under root 250, which is equal to under root 250. Anybody can tell me the answer? Factor of 250. Hello? कोणी मला सांगा. under root 250 चा 250 चा factor सांगा. 25 into 10, which is equal to under root 5 square into under root 10, which is equal to, order and power is same, so the radicand remains as it is, this under root 10. This is the simplest form of the given example. Now here example number 4 and 5. Example number 4 and 5 is homework. ह्या क्वेश्चन मधला क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आणि 5 जे काय आहे तो होमवर्क दिला. त्याच्यानंतर आता क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ला जाणार आहे. याचा स्क्रीनशॉट काढून घ्या. टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट अँड राईट इन युअर नोटबुक. नोटबुक मध्ये लिहून घ्या. नोटबुक मोकळं ठेवायचं नाही. आलं लक्षात? इथं झालंय का? तुमचं झालं असेल तर सांगा, म्हणजे मी रब करतो.
झालं.
ओके, हा ठीक आहे. आता क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, कम्पेअर द पेअर. कम्पेअर द पेअर. कम्पेअर द पेअर म्हणजे काय? ग्रेटर आहे की स्मॉलर आहे का इक्वल आहे? क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, compare the following surds, pair of surds. From that first one, 7 under root 2 and 5 under root 3. This is a given question. Here we are going to compare it. Now this 7 under root 2 as it is, 5 under root 3 as it is. Now order of this surd is in a 2. When this 7 goes inside the under root sign, it takes the order on his head, that is 7 square. Whatever the order is there, put that here. Into 2. Here also, whatever the order is there, when you are taking the 5 inside the square root sign, it becomes 5 square. It becomes 5 square into 3. Now here, under root 7 square is in a 49. 7 square is in a 49 into 2. And here 5 square is in a 25 into 3. Now 49 into 2. 49 into 2. What is the multiplication of 49 into 2? या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करा आणि सांगा.
98 सर.
लवकर. 98 अंडर रूट 98. आता या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन सांगा. 25 into 3.
75
into 3. 75 under root 75. Now in this 98 and 75, which is great? 98 is greater or smaller?
98 is greater, sir.
Greater than 75. 98 is greater than 75. This 98 from where we got? 7 under root 2 we got. 7 under root 2 is greater than. Now this under root 75, we got it from 5 under root 3. That is enough, 5 under root 3. This is the comparison. This is a comparison of the first question from question number 5. You can take the screenshot. We'll go to the next example. Wait 1 minute. Don't take the screenshot because second question is in a very small. There is no need to adjust. To second example, 247 under root 247 and under root 274. Under root 274. Now here when we are comparing, see the order of the surd. Order of the surd is here. What is the order of the surd here? Under root 247. Order किती आहे त्याचा? त्याचा ऑर्डर किती आहे? हॅलो
2.
2 ह्याचा ऑर्डर किती आहे
2 sir.
अंडर रूट 2च आहे म्हणजे दोन्ही ठिकाणी ऑर्डर 2च आहे दॅट मीन्स वी कॅन कम्पेअर द रॅडिकंट दिस 247 is smaller than 274 that means under root 247 is smaller than under root 274 this is the second example here we completed now you can take the screenshot now you can take the screenshot after we'll go to the third example. After this, we'll go to the third example. झालंय का तुमचं?
हो सर काढलो.
आता थर्ड एक्झाम्पल ला जाऊ. Example number 3. 2 under root 7 and under root 28. Under root 28. 2 under root 7 and under root 28. Now here, first I will write the question as it is. Now when this 2 goes inside the this radicand sign, under root sign च्या मध्ये जाताना order त्याच्या डोक्यावरती घेतं. It takes the order on his head. That is 2 square into 7 and this under root 28 as it is. Now 2 square means 4. Under root 4 into 7 under root 28. 4 sevens are 28 under root 28 and under root 28. Now here if you will see 28 and 28 both are equal, order is same. So we can write here 28 is equal to 28. That means under root 28 is equal to under root 28. That means 2 under root 7 is equal to under root 28. This is the comparison. The here that is third example is completed. Now we'll go to the fourth example. Fourth example, that is 5 under root 5 and 7 under root 2. 5 under root 5 and 7 under root 2. Here, first write the question as it is. Now when you will take the 5 inside the radical sign, म्हणजे अंडर रूट साइनच्या आतमध्ये घेताना त्याचा ऑर्डर डोक्यावरती घेणार आहे तो 5 स्क्वेअर इंटू 5. इथं काय येणार सांगा?
7 25 sir.
7 स्क्वेअर इंटू 2. हे 5 स्क्वेअरचं किती आलं? 7 स्क्वेअरचं किती येतं? 7 स्क्वेअर 49. 49 इंटू 2. आता या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करा. 25 इंटू 5 किती येते? किती येते?
125 sir.
125 आणि 49 इंटू 2
98 sir.
49 into 2 98. Now here we can compare. Order is same. Order दोन्हीचे अंडर रूट साइनचा ऑर्डर सेम आहे म्हणून 125 is greater than 98. Is greater than 98. That means इथलं दिसतंय. That means under root 125 is greater than under root 98. Again we can write this we got it from 5 under root 5 which is greater than 7 which is greater than 7 under root 2. Screenshot काढून घ्या. Take the screenshot and write in your notebook.
Okay sir. Hello.
हो सर झालं.
ठीक आहे. आता एक्झाम्पल नंबर 5 आणि एक्झाम्पल नंबर 5 एक्झाम्पल नंबर 5 तुम्ही होमवर्क घ्या. मला एवढं सांगा, मी 6वं एक्झाम्पल करू का 7वं एक्झाम्पल करू? कुठला तरी एक केला तर तुम्हाला दुसरं जमतोय. कुठलं एक्झाम्पल करा म्हणतात ते करतो.
टीचर 7 करा 7 सर.
ओके 7वं एक्झाम्पल. हा ठीक आहे. लगे माईक बंद करायचं नाही तर डिस्टर्बन्स होतो. A seventh example. Seventh example is 7 and 2 under root 5. 2 under root 5. This 7 I will write here. And this 2 under root 5. 7 means what? Under root 49. Under root 49. Under root 49 means it is in a 7. Square root of 49 is in a 7. And this, when it goes inside, this 2 goes inside, it becomes 2 raised to 2. Order, whatever the order is there, take on his head into 5. This under root 49. And here under root 4 into 5. Under root 49 and under root 4 5s are 4 5s are. Hello, झोपला का हो?
20.
आवाज
20 सर. 20
Sir.
4 5s are 20. Now here 49 is greater than 20. Under root 49 is greater than under root 20. Now this for under root 49 we got it from this 7. 7 is greater than under root 20 we got it from 2 under root 5. 2 under root 5. Here the question number 5 is completed. Question number 5 is completed. Now we are going to the solve question number 6. Simplify. Take the screenshot. After taking, tell me that so that I can rub the board.
झालं सर.
झालं सर.
हाँ, ठीक है. Simplify. Question number 6. Simplify. From that first one, 5 under root 3 plus 8 under root 3. Question I will write as it is. 5 under root 3 plus 8 under root 3. From this both the terms, under root 3 is in a common. Under root 3 is in a common. So I will take it as an outside the bracket. This 5 I will write one time plus this 8 and outside the bracket under root 3. Now we can add this 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 how much? 5 plus 8 how much?
12 sir. 12 and 13.
13. 13 under root 3. This is a simplification of this example. आलं लक्षात हे? त्यातलंच आता example number 9 second घेऊ. Example number 2. That is 9 under root 5 minus 4 under root 5 plus under root 125. Plus under root 125. आता question write as it is. 9 under root 5 minus 4 under root 5 plus under root factor of 125. Factor of 125 kada. Factor of 125. That is 25 5s. 5 into 5 into 5 म्हणजेच काय? 25 5s केलं मी. मग इथं काय झालं? 9 under root 5 minus 4 under root 5 प्लस हे 25 चा स्क्वेअर रूट मी असा लिहितोय 5 स्क्वेअर इंटू 5 स्क्वेअर इंटू 5 9 अंडर रूट 5 minus 4 under root 5 plus order and the power is same, so here 5 as it is under root 5. Now under root 5 under root 5 under root 5 it is in a common, so 9 minus 4 plus 5 under root 5. आता subtraction करा 9 minus 4 9 minus 4 9 minus 4 आवाज येतोय की नाही?
5 sir.
Five, sir.
Minus 4 is in the 5 is plus 5 plus 5 plus 5
10 sir.
5 under root 5,
10.
that is 5 plus 5 is in a 10. 5 plus 5 is in a what? 10. That is 10 under root 5. 10 under root 5. This is our answer. Here the example is completed. First and second example is completed. Now you can take the screenshot. त्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट काढू शकता.
झालं सर.
काढलो सर.
झालं? ओके. हा झालं असेल तर आपण आता एक्झाम्पल नंबर तिसरा सोडवू का चौथा सोडवू तुम्ही सांगा.
चौथा सोडवा सर.
एक्झाम चौथा सोडव. ठीक आहे, चौथा एक्झाम्पल. Example number 4. Under root 7 minus 3 upon 5 under root 7 plus 2 under root 7. Write the question as it is first, then go further. Under root 7 minus 3 upon 5 under root 7 plus 2 under root 7. Now here under root 7, under root 7, under root 7, it is in a common. So here the under root 7, here no coefficient means 1. This minus, here 3 upon 5, here plus, and this 2. And common is under root 7. Lakshat. Now here no denominator means 1 is the denominator. Here no denominator means 1 is the denominator. The LCM of 1, 5, 1, that is in a 5. LCM of 1, 5, 1 is in a 5. So 1, 5 are 5. 5, 1s are 5. 1, 5s are 5. So multiply this. 1 into 5, 5. 3 into 1, 3. Plus 2 5s are 10. Common under root 7. Now 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 plus 10, 12. That is, answer is 12 upon 5 under root 7. 12 upon 5 under root 7. त्याचा आन्सर. आलं लक्षात हे? इथं हा एक्झाम्पल संपलेलं आहे. स्क्रीनशॉट काढून घ्या. त्याच्यानंतर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 ला जाणार आहे आपण. मल्टिप्लाय अँड राईट द सिम्पलेस्ट फॉर्म. मल्टिप्लाय अँड राईट द आन्सर इन द सिम्पलेस्ट फॉर्म आपण ते सोडवणार आहे. रब करू दे.
हो सर.
Multiply and write in the simplest form. Multiply and write the answer in simplest form. Simplest form. First one. First one is 3 under root 12 into under root 18 into under root 18. Now here we are going to write this question in the simplest form. Solution 3 under root 12 into under root 18. ऑर्डर सेम आहेत का नाही बघायचं. ऑर्डर दोघांचंही सेम आहे. हा लक्षात. आता फॅक्टर्स करा. 3 अंडर रूट 12 म्हणजे 4 3 जा 12, 4 3 जा 12 into under root 18, that is 9 2 जा 18, 9 2 जा 18. Now here 3 under root 2 square into 3 into under root 3 square into 2. Order and power is same. So here it remains 3 is equal to 3 into 2 into under root 3 into that is order and power is same. It remains 3 under root 2 under root 2. So now here 3 into 2 into this 3 into under root 3 into under root. पहिला केला नंतर हा 3 मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं मग अंडर रूट 2 मग अंडर रूट 3 हे असं घेतलं. आता इथं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करा. 3 3 जा 9, 9 2 जा 18 अंडर रूट. हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन साइन इथं लिहिलं नाही तरी चालतो. ऑर्डर सेम आहेत. रॅडिकंड मल्टिप्लिकेशन करा. 3 2 जा 6. This is a final answer. This is a final answer for that question. हा इथं एक्झाम्पल संपलेलं आहे. तुम्ही स्क्रीनशॉट काढून घ्या.
काढलो सर.
ठीक आहे ठीक आहे. मला ऐकू येतोय. हा आवाज जो आहे तो असं लांबवायचा नाही. आलं लक्षात. हा आपलं नेहमीप्रमाणे व्यवस्थित बोलायचं. झालं. आता आपला क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 मधला आता 3 एक्झाम्पल राहिले. 2 एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला मी होमवर्क देणार आहे. तो होमवर्क एक्झाम्पल 2 आणि 3. होमवर्क एक्झाम्पल कुठला? सेकंड आणि थर्ड तुम्ही होमवर्क घ्या. मी 4th एक्झाम्पल मी सोडवलं. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 4 मी सोडवतो. या इथं बसेल. या इथं बसेल ते 4th वर. 4th example. 5 under root 8 into 2 under root 8 असं आहे आपलं. 5 under root 8 into 2 under root 8 which is equal to here 5 into 2 into under root 8 into under root 8. 5 2 जा 10 into under root 8 into 8 म्हणजेच काय 8 square. 8 into 8 म्हणजेच काय 8 square. Order and power is same. So this 10 as it is into the radicand as it is only 8. That is 10 8 जा 80. This is a final answer. Here the question number 7 is also completed. Question number 7 is also completed. Now next question, that is question number 8. We are going divide and write the answer in the simplest form. Divide and write the answer in the simplest form. ते जाण्याआधी आपण जरा टाइम बघूया किती वाजलेत. आणखी संपतंय आपला क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 हा संपतो. झालाय का हे? बोर्डावरचं झालं असेल तर सांगा. मी रब करतो इथं. हॅलो झालाय? ठीक आहे पुढे या. Question number 8, that is a divide and write the answer in the simplest form. Divide and write the answer in the simplest form. Uh, Question number 8. Question number 8. Divide. Divide and write the answer in simplest form. First one. What it is? Under root 98 divided by under root 2. Under root 98 divided by under root 2. Now, this I can write in this way. Under root 98 divided by under root 2. Order is same. Both the both the square root are having the same order, that is 2, 2. So this I can write in this way, is equal to under root 98 upon 2. I can write in this way. So here we can do the cancellation. 2 ones are 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 remain. 2 9s are 18. Under root 49. Under root 49. Under root 49 means what? 7 square. Order and power is same. Answer remains 7. After that, again one example I will do. So thus both the examples you can take the screenshot. Second one is an under root 125 divided by under root 50. Under root 125 divided by under root 50. This I can write in this way, 125 divided by under root 50. Order is same. When order is same, we can write the example in this way. We can write the example in this way. Now, do the cancellation. 25 2s are, 25 5s are. So the answer is under root 5 upon 2. Answer is under root 5 upon 2. Answer is under root 5 upon 2. Here you can take the screenshot. You can take the screenshot. For example number 3 and 4 homework again. आणि आता क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 ला जाणार. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आणि 4 होमवर्क घ्या. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 ला जाऊ आपण. रॅशनलाइज द डिनॉमिनेटर. हा इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. रॅशनलाइज द डिनॉमिनेटर जो एक्झाम्पल आहे तो इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. झालं का बोर्डावरचं?
झालं सर, काढलो.
हा ठीक आहे. बाकीच्यांनी हा ठीक आहे. Rationalize the denominator. Next question is that this is also simple. Simple आहे, तसं काय हार्ड नाही आहे तो. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. First one, 3 upon under root 5. 3 upon under root 5. इथं डिनॉमिनेटर कुठलं आहे सांगा. हॅलो, डिनॉमिनेटर कुठलं आहे? 3 अपॉन अंडर रूट 5 मध्ये
सर अंडर रूट 5.
अंडर रूट 5 आहे ना डिनॉमिनेटर. बरोबर आहे. जो इथं डिनॉमिनेटर आहे त्याला आपण रॅशनलाइज करणार आहे. म्हणजेच काय, द अंडर रूट 5 दिस यू आर गोइंग टू मल्टिप्लाय अँड डिवाइड to the numerator and denominator. You can multiply the under root 5 to the numerator and denominator. Then it becomes 3 under root 5. That is numerator into numerator. Denominator into denominator, it becomes under root 5 square, which is equal to 3 under root 5 upon order and power is same. So it becomes here 5, 3 upon 5 under root 5. This is the answer of this. This is the answer of that. Now next question. Question number 2, 1 upon under root 14. So it becomes now here denominator is an under 4, that is an under root 14. So multiply to the numerator and denominator by under root 14. Multiply numerator to numerator, that is under root 14 upon under root 14 into under root 14, under root 14 square. Order and power is same. So here it becomes under root 14 upon 14. Under root 14 upon 14. You can take the screenshot. त्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट काढून घ्या. हे दोन्ही एक्झाम्पल तिथं संपलेलं आहे. आता थर्ड एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही करा, फोर्थ एक्झाम्पलला मी जातो. थर्ड एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही करा ते, आणि मी आता फोर्थ एक्झाम्पलला जातो. झालंय का तुमचं? झालंय का? हॅलो,
हो सर.
झालं? हा, लगेचच मला इन्फॉर्मेशन देत जावा. थोडं रेंज हे असल्यामुळे आपल्याला थोडं डिफिकल्टी आहे पोहोचण्यासाठी, आवाज पोहोचण्यासाठी. आता थर्ड एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला करायला सांगितलंय. फोर्थ एक्झाम्पल मी करतोय. दॅट इज 6 अपॉन 9 अंडर रूट 3. 6 upon 9 under root 3. Now here write the question as it is, 6 upon 9 under root 3. Now here in the under root sign, under that is 3 is there. So multiply to the numerator and denominator by under root 3. Only under root 3. फक्त त्याच्यानेच आपण हे केलंय. मग आता numerator into numerator, that is in a 6 under root 3 upon 9 into under root 3 square. Under root 3 into under root 3, under root 3 square. So it becomes now here 6 under root 3 upon 9 into under root 3 square means it is an 3 only. So now do the cancellation. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. That is 2 upon 9 under root 3. This is an answer. This is an answer of that. Now here example number 5, that is an homework for you. Here the practice set 2.3 is completed. Here the practice set 2.3 is completed, and the remaining example we'll see next time. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye. कोणाला काय अडचण असेल तर तुम्ही विचारू शकता. अडचण नसेल तर
स्क्रीनशॉट काढायचं सारखा थोडं.
हा, स्क्रीनशॉट काढायचंय का? एकच मिनिट. एकच मिनिट फक्त.